YouTube is a free, popular video streaming platform. It is the second largest platform where users search for information daily. It is a good source to earn revenue. You can connect with a wide audience. You can watch tutorials, movies, DIY stuff, and entertainment videos. Advantages of YouTube. YouTube is easy to use for everyone. You can share a good amount of information with a lot of people in a short time. It is easy to create videos on YouTube. You need a video recording device such as a webcam, video editing software, or a camcorder. You can upload and share videos. You can blog about it, and then embed the YouTube video on your website. You can upload YouTube stories, polls or post updates which can help with engaging your audience. It is free, there are no fees to pay for using YouTube. It allows you to associate your Google AdSense account with it. You can earn the money from your uploaded videos. When you don't have already a Google AdSense account, YouTube allows you to create a new Google AdSense account with your YouTube profile. YouTube can be used by businesses to build a brand. The videos will not only show up on YouTube but also in different search engines such as Google. It is a very popular social media platform nowadays. YouTube can raise awareness of social issues, such as bullying and suicide, and it allows for expanded social contact. You can contact other YouTube users easily. If you own a website, you can get backlinks from YouTube by creating a YouTube profile page and adding your site link, if you are making videos related to your articles. The world can see your talent, and you can follow anyone you like. You can learn and gain practical knowledge. YouTube has become the second largest hub of information next to Google. There are plenty of YouTube benefits for students in the automobile, engineering, financial, and medical sectors. You can find an expert's YouTube channel in every field. YouTube is an easy way to share and access information. Some pupils learn better with visual aids. YouTube helps students to see what's being taught physically and makes it easier for them to grasp the course material. It's a place where free debates and discussions may occur. Disadvantages of YouTube. YouTube is a public social media platform, and it has many rules which restrict what you can do within your channel. Your account can be disabled if you act in predatory behavior towards other people, such as harassment, sexual comments, and spam. Your account will be disabled when copying someone's video idea, or when making a video that doesn't comply with the terms and conditions. There are too many ads. There are plenty of commercials. You can skip to the main content. You'll have to pay for it if you want to view ad-free videos. YouTube partners should not direct the user's attention to the ads via the arrows or other graphical gimmicks, and they must not place misleading images alongside the individual ads. When you are copying anyone's video or making a video that does not comply with YouTube terms and conditions, your account will be disabled or flagged. Your YouTube profile might get flagged or your AdSense account can be banned, so it is better to make a video with own idea instead of implementing other ideas. You should have the original content or have the explicit permission of the person who creates the content to include it in your video. You should own the copyrights and distribution rights for all audio and video content that you upload to YouTube. YouTube can waste your time. You may find misleading information and obscene content. Not everything is genuine. There are irrelevant ads. Inappropriate content can also be uploaded. Bullying and defamation are easily done. When children access YouTube, they need a parental block. Some videos can be inappropriate without warning. There is violence in some of the videos. There are explicit videos and teens are recording violence to post on YouTube. When you made a popular channel, you will need to edit your YouTube videos and add some video interference to them, such as annotation. Video editing program you need to buy and learn, or hire a person with video editing skills, so you need to pay him the salary for it. The maintenance costs, such as the digital cameras, hiring skilled people, and investment for buying some costly instruments, all require money. You should spend your own money until you get payment from YouTube. You need to pay the electricity bills and the internet bills.